Hi everyone. Today we'll learn the 50 most important irregular verbs in English. We'll go step by step from level 1 to level 5. First you'll see the verb in present, then its past form. Ready? Let's start with level 1. Level 1. I have. I had. I do. I did. I go. I went. I get. I got. I make. I made. I take. I took. I come. I came. I see. I saw. I give. I gave. I cut. I cut. Level 2. I know. I knew. I think. I thought. I tell. I told. I find. I found. I become. I became. I show. I showed. I leave. I left. I feel. I felt. I put. I put. I bring. I brought. Level 3. I begin. I began. I keep. I kept. I hold. I held. I write. I wrote. I stand. I stood. I hear. I heard. I let. I let. I mean. I meant. I set. I set. I meet. I met. Level 4. I run. I ran. I pay. I paid. I sit. I sat. I speak. I spoke. I lie. I lay. I read. I read. I grow. I grew. I lose. I lost. I fall. I fell. I send. I sent. Level 5. I build. I built. I understand. I understood. I draw. I drew. I choose. I chose. I eat. I ate. I drink. I drank. I sleep. I slept. I buy. I bought. I wear. I wore. I sell. I sold. Great job! You've just learned 50 irregular verbs from level 1 to level 5. If you want to remember them better, watch this video again tomorrow and try to say the past forms before I do. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.